In today's video, I'm going to reveal how you can make $970 per day using a hidden YouTube automation niche that involves trending news articles. You don't need to edit videos, show your face, or even write a script. Just copy and paste. Stick around until the end. I will show you step by step how to get started and potentially change your financial future. Finding trending topic, alright? Let's kick this off by dividing into the first big things you need to master. If you try to get ahead with creating video, finding trending topic, you know that feeling when you put out a video, it just kind of sit there with no traction, no views. It's frustrating, right? But here's the thing. You can actually avoid that by staying on top of what's trending. And I know what you are thinking. Where the heck do I find those trending topics? Trust me, I have been there. So here's the good news. You don't need to guess. There are two main places you can hit up every time for fresh trending topics. And the best part, they are both free. First up is Google Trend. This is your go-to for figuring out what's buzzing in real time. Google is pretty much handing you all of the data, literally billions of searches, and letting you tap into it for free. If you never used it before, you can jump on it by tapping trending.google.com into your browser. It's super simple. Once you are there, all you have to do is click on the Trending Now section. This is where you will find all the hot topics that people are searching for like crazy within the last 24 hours. Now, here's a little trick. If you really want to catch something before it blows up, you can narrow that window to the last 4 hours. I have found that if you catch something early, your video has much better chance of riding that viral wave. For example, say you see a topic with 1,000 search spike and search volume. Yeah, that's a good one to jump on. That's kind of spike mean people are interested, and if you get into it early enough, you could be the one to blow up with it. Google Trend hack. Now, I want to share something that most people skip over when using Google Trend, but it's actually one of the best parts, the trend breakdown. This feature is super underrated. Let's say you see that the Olympics are trending. Well, everyone going to be making a video about that, right? But if you click on the little button that says plus 170 more, it opens up a goldmine of subtopic within the Olympic trend. This gives you 100 of smaller, more specific angles that are still tied to the big trend but are less competitive. It's like everyone else is fishing at the same pond, but you have found a secret stream full of fish. Once you click on one of those sub-trending topics, you can hit the Google icon and boom, it will take you to a list of articles about that exact topic. From there, you can copy the link to one of those articles, and I'll show you how to turn that into a video in a second. But remember, the goal here is to find something that gaining momentum before everyone else jump on it. It's a total game changer. Now, let's talk about the second spot for discovering trending topic, the news aggregators. My favorite one to use is Google News. All you gotta do is type news.google.com into your browser, and it will pull up all of the latest news from a ton of different sources. What's cool about this is you can filter by categories. So if your channel is more focused on sport, you can just click on the sport category and instantly get a list of trending sport and stories. And just like with Google Trend, you can take the article link from here and use them to make your videos. This is especially help if you are in a niche. Like if you run a tech channel, you can filter by tech news, or if you are into entertainment, there is a category for that too. It saves you a ton of time because instead of searching through a bunch of random sites, you have got everything in one spot. Creating full videos. Okay, now that you have found your trending topic, let's move on to the step 2, making a full video with just a news article link. I remember the first time I learned about this, it blew up my mind. Like, you can literally make a full video just by using a link to a news article. It's that simple. And here's how you do it. First, copy the link to the article you want to use. Let's say, for example, you found an article about an earthquake in LA that's already racked up in million searches in 6 hours. That's hot, right? Now, you take that link and head over to these tools I use called NVIDIA AI. It's a lifesaver when it comes to creating video quickly. All you have to do is paste that link into the tools and it will start generating a video for you, pulling from the article's content. And listen, if you are serious about posting regularly and want to keep your video looking professional, you will eventually want to get the paid version to remove the watermark. Nobody likes those ugly watermarks on the video. But don't worry, it's super affordable. Voice cloning. Now, here's where things get even cooler. You can clone your voice and have NVIDIA AI use that in your video. I know sound kind of futuristic, right? But it's real and it saves so much time. You won't need to sit down and record your voice over every time you make a video. Instead, you can use the voice cloning tools in Video AI. To set it up, just head to the voice cloning section in the tools, click add voice, and follow the instruction. You can merely just use your phone to record 30 seconds of you reading a script or even a news articles. It does not have to be perfect, just your normal speaking voice. After that, the tools will clone your voice and you can use it for all your future videos. How awesome is that? Now, a little side note here, don't worry, your voice is secure, nobody else can use it. This just makes the whole video making process way more efficient because your voice will be part of the video without you having to actually record every single time. And once you have got your voice cloned, you name it whatever you want. I jokingly name my McKinley sexy voice and it makes me laugh every time I see it. Personalizing your video, alright? So you have got your video, but here's the thing. You don't want it to look like everyone else. This is where step 3 comes in. Personalizing your video. I always recommend adding your own touch to the video to really make it stand out. It could be as simple as adding some unique footage or images that are relevant to the topic. Let's go back to that LA earthquake example. NVIDIA AI will pull in stock footage for you, but if you want to make it feel more authentic, you can add a raw footage from the event. I found this awesome trick where I use my computer built-in screen recorder to grab video clips from news articles or even YouTube. Then I just upload that into the tools and replace the stock footage with my own. It's a small trick, but it makes a huge difference. Your audience will appreciate that extra effort and it helps your video feel more original. Finalizing videos. Once your video is ready, before you hit export, there's one last step, editing the final touches. In Video AI makes this part super easy. You can go in and adjust things like background music, change out stock footage, or even add in some cool transition. But this tool cuts that time in half. I'll give you one last tips here. Make sure to include a call to action at the end of your video, whether it's asking people to subscribe, comment, or check out another video. It's an easy way to boost engagement. You don't need anything fancy, just something like, hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. It's a small things, but it can make a big difference in growing your channel. And there you have it. With those steps, you are all set to start finding trending topics, turning them into videos, and personalize them for maximum impact. Now, there is another method to make money with Google News, and if you want to learn more about it, I made a video teaching how to make $200 per day using Google News. Make sure to click this one. If you really enjoyed this content and find it very informative, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, that way you can stay notified whenever we post a new video. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to grow your wealth. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a video. And I'm watching you and you are great. Until next time, see you. Peace. Bye.